Okay, so finally I'm able to record my first tutorial video. Okay, I'm very happy. So this is Python lesson 1, and on this video I'm gonna teach you very interesting things, but I will concern only two things: print and input. And I want to start Python. I will type Python on the search line. Then I have Python idle and command line version. I'm using idle classic version because this is very useful for teaching and also for learning. Okay, so anything you have written, you have write. There is some additional helping text for the function. For example, what you can also add for the printing line. For example, there is an end, flash, and a file. That means you can change these functions of the print. Okay, hello, and this is first example just for the like X. You have the result immediately, so that's why it's called interpreter. And what's it difference from the other programs? For example, any other programs works like compiler. It means like hello and my. For teaching any students, you can use this file version. File version is actually is like text, but text is written, but it has no mistake until you launch it on shell version. Okay, you can type mistakenly, or you can even forget about closing this one, but you will not have any problem with that on this moment. You can see the result only when you click on run model, but before launching your application, it will ask you to save the document. This document is you can save it like example or anything, any name that you want. I have saved it example 4. Then it gives me text like here, as you can see, like start C. This is giving me notification that the shell version has launched example for that Python document, and it gave me result hello my friend. And as you can see, the lines are one by one, and there is nothing like separating. Okay, and what if you want to make it on one line? Okay, I'm going to show that. It can work it only with the file version, but actually you can use it when you are using loops. For example, for and while. On first lesson, we're not going to learn about that, so that's why we're not concerned about these things. I'm going to show it only with the file version. For example, I'm using print hello and then click and type n is equal to r. R means a tabulation. Tabulation, or like a space, is the same thing as a space. Okay, I'm using two spaces here. Then I can just launch this application. Okay, as you can see, hello my is on the same line. I'm gonna check this again. What if I will write this type of thing? Okay, check it now. Hello my friend. Friend is on a new line, so how are we gonna uh, solve this? As you can see, there is a mistake for the R, and I'm gonna make it again R. Then I can just make it like that. It's not tabulation actually. I'm sorry. R is means that the next thing is gonna be written on the same line. Okay. So as you can see, this is the result. Actually, it acted like tabulation. As you can see, there is a two spaces. There's one space and two spaces, and here you have the also two spaces. That's why what I said before is incorrect. I'm sorry about that. Next, I'm gonna show you about string data type. For example, d is equal to jack. I'm gonna print d. Then I'm gonna use only if I want to print only the first item, first letter of the jack. For example, I'm gonna type d in the brackets 0. It's, I don't know how is it, right brackets or rectangular brackets. You can say it on different names. Okay, next is I'm gonna start from the first letter, from the second letter till the last one. Okay, is egg. Then I'm gonna use like D, uh, starting from start and till the third letter, check. Okay, and the last one is I'm giving some interval from the first letter till the third third letter. Actually, one is not the first. I'm sorry. One is means two, and it makes like a from 2 and 4, from second till fourth, and we have like J is giving me second and the third letters of the J. Okay, and the last one for today is about repeating the uh, some text. For example, I want to text Jack many times. How many times? 3 times. Okay, Jack, Jack, Jack. What if we will check about that one? D multiplication by 3, then I'm gonna give some space. Okay. Oh, it's not working. So okay, it means that it immediately goes like one by one. Also, you can do that. For example, one thing. Okay, how are we gonna solve that? Okay, I think I have an idea. You can just click on the print. Then again, okay, multiplication by 3, D plus. Okay, let's check it now. Okay, so I think this is the end of my first lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.